This fighter jet doesn't fight alone. It brings backup. Not more pilots, not more jets, drones. And it can control them mid-air. The F-35 is already one of the most advanced fighter jets ever built. Stealth, sensors, data fusion. It's designed to see everything before anything sees it. But now it's doing something different. It's not just gathering information, it's starting to command other aircraft. This is where things shift. Instead of sending multiple manned jets into dangerous environments, the F-35 can act as a central node, coordinating a network of drones around it. Think about that for a second. One pilot, multiple unmanned systems, all working together. These drones can scout ahead, carry sensors, or even act as decoys, drawing attention away from the main aircraft. And because they're unmanned, they can take risks a human pilot can't. Fly lower, fly closer, push deeper into contested areas. The F-35 processes data from its own sensors and from those drones at the same time, combining everything into one picture. That's called sensor fusion. But now, it's not just about seeing more. It's about doing more. Because once the jet understands the environment, it can start directing the response, where drones move, what they focus on, how they position themselves. And that changes the entire dynamic of air combat. Instead of a single aircraft making decisions in isolation, you have a coordinated system, distributed, adaptive, and harder to predict. But controlling multiple drones in real time isn't simple. Communication has to be fast, secure, and reliable, because if that connection drops, those drones don't just disappear, they become unpredictable. And in a contested environment, that's a problem. So systems are being built with layers of control, automation, fallback behaviors, and secure links designed to keep everything functioning even under pressure. And then there's the workload. A pilot isn't just flying anymore. They're managing information, making decisions, potentially coordinating multiple assets at once. So the system has to filter data, prioritize what matters, so the pilot isn't overwhelmed. Because too much information can be just as dangerous as not enough. Now zoom out. This isn't just about one aircraft controlling drones. It's about shifting from individual platforms to connected systems, where the strength isn't just in the jet, it's in everything around it. And once that becomes standard, air combat stops being one-on-one. It becomes one against many.